by Mr. Chompy.
Hi everyone, how are you?
Hi, Mr. Chompy. We have some questions for you.
Okay.
We have some math questions for you.
Okay, I love math.
This is how it's going to be. I'm going to ask you a question. If you get it right, you get 1 point in your point box.
Great.
But if you get it wrong, I have to show you how to do it, and you don't get that point even if you get it right the second time.
Aww.
Okay, so our first question for you is 9 plus 8.
Well, that's 15, Taylor.
No, it's not.
Aww.
Here is, I'm going to show you how you do it. This is a little trick with the 9s that I think will help you a little. With the 9s, you know it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To make it easier, you can subtract 1 from the other number besides the 9, and with ours, you would get 7. And then you'd put the 7 down here, and then it's not just 7, so you have to carry up that one. Now this problem, but not all problems, there are no 10s that you have to add it to. So you would carry down the 1, and that will give you
17, Taylor?
Yes, that is it.
Yay!
Okay, but you do not get that point for that one,
Aww.
since you answered it the second time. Okay, well I have some more. I have another question for you.
Okay.
This is a little advanced, so if you don't get it right, I'll give you 1/2 of a point.
Oh,
Because
wow.
it's a very, very hard question. 22 plus 43.
Is that 57, Taylor?
Yes, it is. You get 1 point.
Yay!
But since that was a really hard question and you got it right, you get 2.
Yay!
Okay, now we have to stop for a short break. Hello! I am the beachy girl. Do you know when you have to take your dog somewhere and you don't have a good leash, or your ones are chewed up and broken? Well, if you buy one now for $18, you can get the second one for free.
Yay!
But if you buy 2, if you buy 3, you don't get the third one free. So how much would that be? Let's see. If it's 18 for 1, you would have to do 18 plus 18. So you have to figure that out so you can get 3 good leashes. How would that be?
Fantastic.
Okay, now it's time to Are You Smarter Than Me? Hello, we are back with Are You Smarter Than Me?
Alrighty.
Okay, we have a subtraction question for you.
Okay.
What is 29 minus 11?
Well, that would be 15.
Sorry, that is not correct.
Aww.
But let me show you how to do it. Now, what is something that really helps with this one? Listen very closely to the first number, 29. It has a...
9.
Yeah, so would that make it easier?
Maybe.
Yes, it would. Well, you have to do it with the bigger number on top of the smaller number. Now, this one's easy, but sometimes it would be a smaller number, but the 2 that you're subtracting with, the first ones, the bottom one is bigger than the top one.
Wow.
But to fix that, you would have, I'm just going to write it over here on the side. If I had 32 minus, let me think, 29.
Okay.
Okay? I can't not subtract 9 from 2. I can't. Because it would so I can't do that.
Oh.
But this is how you fix it. You cross the top number out, the 1, and then you add a 10 to it, which would make 11. But here's the thing. You have to take 1 from the 10, which in this case would make a 2. So then, when you subtract the 10s, you have to, instead of just subtracting the 3, you have to subtract the 2. So, I do have to do this. I have to do 12 minus 9. And that would be easy because of the 9 trick. You just have to do it backwards.
Ah.
So if you add 1 to 2, what would that be?
I don't remember.
If you add 1 from 2.
Add 1 to 2?
Yes.
Well, I think that would be 3, Taylor.
Yes, it would. So when you're doing it, you have to put a 3 down at the bottom number.
Ah.
And then, in this case, I'm doing 2 minus 2, which there's nothing below 0, and 2 and 2 are the same exact numbers, so I would get a 0. So that answer would be 3. Now, it doesn't do it here, but you know that 9 minus 1 is 8. And you know that 2 minus 1 equals 1.
Right.
So what would it be?
18.
Yes, it is.
Yay!
But sadly, you don't get that point. Since you got it the second time. So let me erase this. Okay. Here is our other question. What is 42 minus 22?
Would that be 20, Taylor?
Yes, it would. You get 1 point for that.
Yay!
I have another question for you.
I love math.
Why do people call you Mr. Chompy?
Because I like to jump!
Okay, well that's a very specific answer. Okay, now we'll be right back after this break. Hi, I am Billy Gray. Do you love your dog, but they just don't look in style? Well, now you can buy an awesome shirt for them. Sadly, this is only for boys. But if you buy 2 now, which one is $20. So if you buy 2, you would go... Wait! Jeez, can we cut that part out?